Today I'm going to show you how to clean your acrylic palettes very easily. Here at our art school we have lots of students who use these acrylic palettes and then they let them dry, and so all the paint gets stuck and it's very difficult to get off. As you can see, we have a lot of them and these ones have just been cleaned. I did these a few days ago and now look at that, beautiful. If there is any excess paint, big blobs of paint, then it's a good idea, just to help you along a bit, is that you just maybe scrape out your excess paint with some plastic wrap or whatever you've got. We wrap ours in plastic wrap anyway to try and extend the life of the paint. We have a video about that on our channel if you want to watch it. So now the excess paint is off the palettes and they're ready to go. And this really is the easiest bit. I have a bucket, actually I've got a bucket of water here, I've got a tray of water here. These trays are just like the barbecue trays, you can get them from supermarkets, they're very cheap. Fill it with water and how easy is that? So the thing is, because acrylics are they're a water-based paint, if you put them in water and you just leave them there for a while, the paint will naturally start to, it's like it bubbles up. I'll show you, if you keep on watching, I'll show you exactly what happens to the paint so you can see. But my problem beforehand, I'd have to scrape this stuff off these palettes. But once I started doing this, problem solved. I'm going to come back in a few days' time and I'll show you exactly what these all look like. So it is many days later. We have probably left this for about a week, I think, but you don't actually need to leave it that long. It's just that we've been on holidays. And now there's a cyclone in the local area, so if you get a bit of wind in the mic, my apologies. I cannot help the cyclone. So let me show you. You can even see here the paint is literally just falling off and I barely have to even touch it. And this makes my life so much easier. This is such a good example of what's happening when they've just been sitting in water. It's literally just pulling, the paint has just pulled away from the tray, just like that. That one looks like egg. Look at this. I don't even barely need to touch it. It just literally comes straight off and it's clean. Look at that. There's like a patch of white in here. It's just literally like a pat of butter just falling out. Look at that. So good, so easy. Tell me if you do give this a go. And do you have any other tips with cleaning out palettes? Tell me what you think down in the comments below. Give this video a like and subscribe as well, because we upload every single week. And we will catch you all in our next video next week. Have a fantastic rest of the week, everybody. Bye.